Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So I decided to make a list of 5 things you should do to start your YouTube for free. Okay, as I go into it, I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. Yeah, so just pay attention to what I'm showing you, and you're gonna get this information for free. I'm gonna show you the apps I use. So I'm gonna tell you what I use right now. I use CapCut, I use Canva. Sometimes I just use CapCut alone, just depending on what I wanna do. But most of the times with me doing my videos and stuff like that, because I do videos on, my hairstyling and stuff like that. I never really did like the whole thumbnail thing on my Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that. But because of YouTube, I got to do it. So, yeah. And if you got the smarts, some just don't know. So I am here to show you what you don't know for free. So let's get into that. So the first thing you're going to do is apply for Adsense. Your Adsense should be in the email that you apply for your YouTube with. So whatever email that you're using your YouTube with, apply for your Adsense with your email. This is what Adsense look like, okay? So this is me just showing you what it looks like. It got step 1, 2, and 3. Get started, and yeah. Boom. Next, you're gonna come up with a name, a catchy name. Whether it's your first and last name. For me, I have my first and last name. Just make sure that it's 2 syllables, like love me, gather here, like like bop bop, bitty bop bop. You know what I'm saying? So make sure that it's catchy. Make sure that it be something like, let me go check this person page out. They seem interesting. Even if it's your first and last name, somebody be like, let me find out about this person. So that's another one for you. Then when you make your long form video, you want it to be horizontal, right? Horizontal. Look at the lines. I'm showing you horizontal right there, so you know what horizontal is. Horizontal is straight across. And vertical is up and down. Here you go, right? Even look at the picture frames. That's horizontal. So you want your camera turned the other way, horizontally. And then for your shorts, you want to do it vertically, which is that way, okay? So get a little insight. Let's get into how to make your thumbnail. Let's go. So if you want to do the whole cutout thing and not have the background, I'm going to show you 2 ways. So this is the background remover for free. You ain't got to pay nothing. Nobody. Go look for a picture that you like. Okay. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to put this in there. Boom. Upload it. And look at the magic happen. Bada bing, bada bam. Nothing. Straight clean. Look at that. For free. For free. You're going to download it. Then boom. You're going to go into Canva. This is only if you want to do this kind. Go into Canva. You type in thumbnail. Thumbnail going to pop up for YouTube, period. There you go. You see that? You're going to go into Canva. It's going to have all these thumbnails. You could pick any one just to play around. I'm going to just pick one just to show you what I'm talking about. See all of these? Some of them are for free and some of them not, but I'm going to pick a free one, okay? We're going to pick that orange one. Going to click on that. I'm going to take her picture away. We're going to put my picture there. Okay, you see how that? So, go get your picture. You're going to go click on, I'm going to click on a couple of stuff so you can see. But you could scroll, you could go to uploads. If it's not in uploads, well, it's not going to be in uploads until you upload it to your Canva. But it's so many different things. It has elements, it has designs, boom, boom. But we're going to go to camera. and boom, there goes the picture that I took. So this is a picture that I got from Background Remover. See, very clean. You could play with it, resize it, do whatever the hell you want to do, turn it backwards, vertical. Like, you could do so many things with it. Like, just play around with it. You see those points right there? That's those points to teach you how to play around with pictures. So now we're going to change we're not going to change the font, but we're just going to change what it says. Okay, so it's highlighted. You're going to delete that. Just press the backspace thing, and then you put in, just type in what you want it to say. So I'm going to put 5 steps for starting a YouTube. Just whatever, just to show you what it says. Okay, there you go. Boom. If you wanted to use this, you can use that, right? Okay, see how that look? Here's another way you can edit your thumbnail if you don't want to do all what I just did. Go to your video, screenshot it. All right, boom, screenshot it. Got it? Okay. Gonna save it. We're gonna make it smaller like that. Crop it out. I'm gonna crop it out, okay? Then we're gonna download it, save it. Boom. Now we're gonna go back into CapCut. Gonna upload it to CapCut. And we could play with the fonts in CapCut. Okay? Play with the fonts in CapCut. See, I got the one for $9.99 because I do other stuff like TikTok, Instagram. TikTok and other stuff. So I got that one. You don't have to get that one because I'm about to show you that it has a lot of free fonts on here. Like, just look. So I put 5 steps to start a YouTube. Well, your YouTube. We'll start a YouTube. I didn't remember what I was writing, but anyway. Y'all get the drift, right? So look at all these. All those that says Pro, yeah, I pay for that. You get to fix the style. Look at different styles. Look at this. So many different styles. Okay? You don't have to worry about the animation because you're not really going to do animation on there. But the effects, the style, the fonts, look at that. I'm about to show you some free ones. Look at that. Free. No, that's not free. My bad. But free. Look at the free ones. All the free ones. The ones that don't say Pro, those are the free ones, okay? The free ones. You ain't got to go on Fiverr and do all of that stuff if you're trying to start out. You're trying to build yourself up or whatever. So, yeah, look at all this. Just free. If you have the time to make the video, you have the time to do a quick thumbnail, okay? Look at all this. Free. Look at all the ones. Free. Okay? Free. The ones without the Pro are free. You see that? Okay. Boom. Put that there. Then you could add another element. Just go to add text. Boom. Into text. I'm gonna write help. Boom. There you go. Place it wherever you want to place it, however you see fit for you. This is your YouTube. Okay? Change up the fonts. They got so many different stuff for free. Okay? So I'm going to screenshot this. Boom. Size it up. Okay. Save. Boom. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube because I already got my video made. Well, yeah, I already got my video made. So there goes the video. Put it to YouTube. That little gray thing right there that says a picture on the top left-hand corner. Get your picture. Boom. That's your thumbnail. Bada bing, bada bam. Okay? It's not too hard at all. For free. Okay? Just a skim of my YouTube. You see? I made my own thumbnails. I ain't paid not a soul. Okay?